Today's video is going to be a special video. It's an update video on how the dupli painted dash has been doing in this car. It's been about 4 years later since that video I made. I have videos in the description below, and I've been keeping update videos on that pretty well 1-2 years ago and so forth. So if you look at this interior here, the carpet, the headliner right here, it's a little dirty now, needs wiped off. The back seats, every bit of this car, not these was bought this way, they don't fold. We don't know if we're going to use these on this build or not, but the dash and everything was painted in the dupli color, and just as in the video, even the door panels was done in it. It's held up good, and if you can see from the video, there's no peeling at all on the dupli color. It's bonded perfect with the dash. It's held up great. It's still looking great. It's a good product if it's applied the way it's supposed to be in light coats. Most people try to spray it on just like spray paint, and it don't work like that. It'll peel right back off. Also, you need a good, a good adhesion promoter to use on it. In this video, I used a dupli adhesion promoter, but I prefer Bully Dog. But the dupli did great, and it's all been holding up pretty good. Now this project is getting close to an end. It does got a small block Chevy in it now instead of a LS. It's getting a 70 round tail lights and stuff put in it, and it's getting made into a split bumper car. Getting a new trunk lid and all that good stuff. So we should be plenty of content coming on this, but I just wanted to give you a quick update on the dupli since it's been about 4 years, well, 3.5 years ago or so. As you can see, if you apply it good and take the steps and don't skip them, the quality of the product holds up to the test of time, almost, seems like. And it saves you money on buying a new dash, and can make that old car look new again. So, thank you for watching. If you found any of my videos helpful, let me know in the comment section below. Drop me a like. Show your support for my channel by smashing that subscribe button. I appreciate it if you do. See you next time.